Hey guys, so funny story, y'all. Okay, not really funny, I guess, but I've just had some brain fog. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this into the first video here shortly, and I want to apologize again for another mix-up, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys. So on the inner spine, I messed up in telling you the measurements. So I told you 11 by 8, which makes it the same height as a book. And our sections are smaller. So if you've already made your inner spine and you've already attached it into your book, there is a workaround, okay? Don't fret, that's okay. If you haven't got to that step yet, make sure that you use the correct measurement, which is 11 inches in length and 7 inches in height, not 8 inches. So what I did was where we angled the edges, I just cut straight back and then I trimmed it down here. So then your section, and I did it at the top and the bottom, and now it just slides right on there and you're not going to be able to see it. You'll see a little bit at the top and the bottom, but you could take a thin trim or a piece of lace to cover that up. Okay, and I apologize, guys. You know, mistakes, but usually in paper crafting, most everything is fixable, right? So I'm just going to go through really quick and show you exactly what I did. So right here at the point where we angled, I'm trimming back and then coming in like so. Well, there it goes. Okay, clean that up a little bit. And just continue that for each of them. Okay, I'm actually going to go through and cut these straight back first. And it doesn't matter if they're not all the same size. Once you glue in your sections, you're not going to see that. Okay. I'm not to the point yet where I glue all of the sections in because I'm going to wait till I have all 8 sections completed. Then I will glue them in. But again, to show you. There we go. So see, you'll see a little bit down at the bottom, but I'll use some trim to cover that up.